Hello everyone, welcome to Automate 2025. I'm Marc, Application Specialist at Laserax. Today, I'm going to walk you through real-world application we've solved using laser technologies. Let's start on edge cleaning on battery trays, a crucial step before sealing. We remove contamination precisely without damaging surrounding areas, ensuring a tight, clean seal. Here we have intercell cooling plates. We texture the surface before adhesive bonding. Laserax gives you micrometer level surface control without chemicals or consumables. For child seat anchors, we do high precision cleaning to prep for welding. No chemicals, no contact, just clean metal. Same goes for car seat rails. Consistent cleaning improves downstream quality and reduces rework. It's efficient and eco-friendly. Here we have a battery module. We can do both cleaning of the cell and also welding the bus bar on top of those cells. By having those two steps together, we're increasing the general quality of the module. So here we have marking recipes, so either shot blast resistant marking and also e-coat resistant marking. So here on the left side, we can see the marking before those post processes, and on the right after the post processes. So at the top, we have the shot blast resistant marking, which is still legible after the process. And then at the bottom, we have the e-coat resistant mark, which is also still legible after the process. On this e-motor casting, we do pre-gasketing texturing that helps ensure strong sealing bonds, avoiding costly leaks down the line. Here's a sample where we've done laser ablation. We use it to selectively remove coatings with high precision. No tapes, no solvents, just pure laser accuracy. These are just a few examples on how Laserax is pushing boundaries for laser processing. Come see us at booth 1323 or visit our website to learn more about us.